10 things you should know before getting married. 1. Don't marry a woman who has a nose piercing, even if she had one in the past. A woman who has a nose ring doesn't need a ring on her fingers. Never settle for the Lord of the Rings. She's just for entertainment only. 2. Don't marry a woman who calls herself your friend. Marriage is never a partnership between a man and a woman. It's like a kingdom where the man is the king and the woman is his subject. So the woman should never see herself as your friend because she won't respect you. 3. Don't get into a marriage out of boredom. Marriage is one of the most crucial decisions you'll make as a man, so you have to be careful in choosing a woman. Don't choose a woman because you were bored. Don't choose a woman because you felt lonely. 4. Don't marry a woman who doesn't respect you. Men, don't joke with your self-respect. She has to give you a good amount of respect before you could even think of marrying her. Without respect, you'll become a boy to her, and she'll use you as her doormat. 5. All your properties should be in your mother's name. Remember how Hakimi escaped being exploited by his so-called wife? He escaped this exploitation because he used his mother's name to get almost all his properties. So be on the safe side because women can change like chameleons. 6. Don't beg her to stay if she wants to leave. A woman who decides to leave you had already made the decision a long time ago. She didn't just make the decision immediately, so it's a waste of time to start begging her to stay. And if she finally stays, she'll always use it against you. 7. Don't use money to attract or keep her. Although money most times attract women, don't use it to attract them. If you use money, be ready to always use it to keep her. The bad part is that if this money finishes, she'll leave you. 8. Always keep improving yourself, even when married. Marriage shouldn't make you stop improving yourself as a man. I usually see men get complacent and relax when they get married. This shouldn't be so. You should always strive to be the best version of yourself. If you don't, she might get tired and possibly leave you for another man. 9. Marry a woman who has shame. Always look for a woman who has shame, a woman who won't wash your dirty linen outside, a woman who respects you and your family and won't take your family problems outside. 10. Stay away from a woman who's from a dysfunctional family. Her family is who she'll become. If she comes from a dysfunctional home, it's better you stay clear of the risk of being entangled in the web of the family. The way she was nurtured in the family is how she'll nurture your own children.